You are paying for apps and software every single month that AI has already made completely free. Adobe, Grammarly, Calendly, translation apps, research tools, all of them. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which AI tools replace them and how to start using them today. Even if you've never touched AI in your life, welcome to TechMind Lab. We test the tools so you don't waste the time. Let's get into it. Before we get into the list, I want you to understand something. AI isn't coming for your job first. It's coming for your subscriptions. And that's actually great news for your wallet. Tool number 1, Canva AI. And this one replaces Adobe Creative Suite. Adobe charges anywhere from $55 to $80 per month for their creative apps. Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. Most people use about 10% of what Adobe offers and pay full price for all of it. Canva's AI tools now include background removal, image generation, video editing, presentation building, and social media design, all in one place. The free tier handles 90% of what a small business or creator needs. If you're paying for Adobe and you're not a professional designer, cancel it this week. Canva AI does the job. Tool number 2, ChatGPT or Claude. And this replaces Grammarly for research tools and writing assistants. Grammarly Premium costs $140 per year. Jasper AI for content writing costs $40 per month. Research databases can run $30 to $100 per month depending on what you use. A free ChatGPT or Claude account rewrites your emails, fixes your grammar, researches any topic, summarizes long documents, writes social captions, creates outlines and drafts in seconds. One tool. Replaces 3 paid subscriptions, and the free versions are genuinely powerful. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. And this replaces expensive voiceover and podcast editing software. Professional voiceover artists charge $200 to $500 per finished audio hour. Podcast editing software like Descript runs $24 per month. ElevenLabs generates natural, human-sounding voiceovers from any text in under 60 seconds. The free tier gives you enough audio every month to run a full YouTube channel, a podcast, or a content business. If you've ever wanted to create video or audio content without showing your face or recording your voice, this is the tool that makes it possible. Tool number 4, Kling AI, and this replaces stock video subscriptions. Shutterstock and Getty Images charge $50 to $200 per month for video footage licenses. Even the cheaper stock sites add up fast. Kling AI generates original cinematic video clips from a simple text description. You type what you want to see: a city at night, a person walking through a forest, a futuristic workspace, and it generates it in seconds. No licensing issues, no monthly subscription eating your budget, just original AI video on demand. Tool number 5, Notion AI, and this replaces your project management stack, Asana, Monday.com, and similar tools charge $10 to $25 per user per month. For a small team or solo operator, that adds up to $300 per year minimum. Notion AI combines note-taking, project management, database building, and now AI writing and summarizing all in one workspace. The free tier is genuinely enough for most people. You get meeting notes that summarize themselves, tasks that organize themselves, documents that write themselves. One app replacing 4. Now here's what I want you to take away from this. None of these tools are perfect replacements for professionals doing professional work. If you're a full-time designer, keep Adobe. If you're a senior developer, keep your stack. But if you're a creator, a small business owner, a student, or someone building something on the side, you are almost certainly overpaying for tools that AI has already disrupted. Next week, I'm breaking down exactly how to set up each one of these tools from scratch, step by step, beginner friendly. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment below. Which subscription are you canceling first? I read every single one.